Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn any image into simple video only using your phone. First open your browser and search for Immersity AI. Now click on this link. Next open up this hamburger menu and click on the sign in option. I'm using Google here, you can use different option. I hope you all know to create an account, so I'm gonna fast forward it. Now you see an option called upload. Simply click on it, choose the photo you want and wait until it uploads. After that, now you can edit your video as you want. You can change the animation style, you can adjust the amount of motion and many more. You can check them all. After you are done, you can hit the download button at the top. So, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video.